Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and if you're a concerned drone pilot like me, you might have noticed the problem that some people have had when their DJI FPV drone has landed using the back of its battery as its landing point and its takeoff point. Now that's actually how it's designed to be. There's two little bumps on the back of the battery that are designed to be a pivot point for when the drone comes down and then it tips down or tips up and takes off from that pivot point. And some people have had some problems because that point hits the ground kind of hard and their batteries get knocked around. But fear not, two smart guys that I know have come up with a solution, and that is this right here, the drone condom. Yes, it's really the most accurate thing you could call it. It is a little slip-on device that goes right over the drone's battery like this, the FPV drone's battery like this. See here, yeah. So there's the battery by itself, and you'll see this is the back part right here where it will land when it's coming down. That, and then that's actually the back landing pad right there. Well, with the drone condom, you don't have to worry about the back landing pad getting hit by the ground because this thing slips right on. And now you've got these two little extra spots here that give it a little more protection, a little more strength back here in the back and protect your battery. And they don't impact plugging in the battery at all because once you have it on there right, like I do now, you can just plug it right in and then set it down. Very cool. So they also come with these two little guys up here in the front to just kind of protect the front part of your landing gear just from wear and tear as it comes down and hits grass or rocks or whatever. Now, I don't get any sort of commission for selling these. I did get these as samples and I'm really happy with them, but I've been told that if you buy 100 of these, if the general public buys 100 of these before spin up, Ken Dono will do a keg stand at spin up. So I'm just saying. Let's see if we can make it happen. But Kelly, you might ask, do these little DJI FPV drone battery condoms add much weight to the actual drone and make it fly more sluggishly? Let's see how much they weigh. Okay, we're set to grams. There it is on the scale. And it looks like they weigh 11 grams. 12 grams, 11 grams. $533 grams. 11 grams. So the way you put this thing on is you put this little piece right here under the battery connector, like so, and then it kind of just slides back on like that. Push it down in all locations. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. And boom, there you go. Your little drone battery won't get any other drones pregnant. And for a little extra, if you send them your file, they'll print your logo right there on it. Check that out. Isn't that cool? And if you don't have a file, don't have a logo, have them print mine on it. That looks really awesome. But does it impact the flight characteristics of this thing? Let's go look and see. Yeah, I'd say it doesn't. And if you act today, you'll also get a set of my wife's steak knives. These are the sharpest steak knives in town, believe me. Drone condom will not actually prevent unwanted drone pregnancies. Drone condom is not a replacement for drone abstinence. Drone condom may cause a rash or itching on your battery. Please see your doctor if these symptoms occur. Drone condom is available in 3 unique shapes. The purchase of drone condom does not actually include any kitchen knives. If you notice a rash or itching after using drone condom, please see your doctor. Drone condom should not be used around small children or animals. Drone condom is a copyrighted trademark by Original Dobo, copyright 2021.